Hello students, welcome to Friday session EVS class of 5 St. Thomas School MOVA. I am Suresh sir, continuing lesson number 16 Look, Learn and Experience. In a classroom and home, we are looking so many things made of something. In earlier lecture, we understood chair, door, chapati, spectacles, bucket, spoon, shoes, and book made of different things. And we got a one definition that the substance of things are made of a one matter, and it is mentioned. Then we also got a substance also has a weight or a mass, and weight or a mass we have to circle it, which doesn't have a mass. Air and smoke have a less mass. Mass means weight. We got idea. In activity, we have to collect thief, nail, water, eraser, chalk, and use a pencil to draw and outline them and draw the figures of various things. Then we got idea that everything is made of matter and everything has a weight or a mass. It occupies space. Air also occupies space, and air has a weight. And another activity, we have taken transparent glasses and 3 transparent bowl. In one we fill water, one stone, and one smoke. Then we took into the 3 different bowls and we took the activities of this. We have observed them. We observed that water is taking the shape of the container while air in the glass take the smoke of that. Then shape and its container. Water in a glass cup take the shape of glass, take the shape of bowl. It doesn't change the shape of glass or a bowl when it is poured. Stone is doesn't change. Glass is occupying when water is filled. Bowl is occupying bowl space when water is filled. Smoke is surrounded everywhere. Next one, table is given. In table, the things is given here. Water, substance which change the shape when we put from one to another container, but there is no change in the space it occupies, which substance are called liquid substance. Milk, water, petrol, diesel, kerosene, oil are the things that is liquid substance. It takes the space which container we are filling into it. Substance do not change as stone, eraser, nail, pencil, book, wooden things. Substance like smoke, when transferred from one container to other, changes its shape, also occupies space, are called gaseous substance. So we found finally 3 points: solid, liquid, and gas. This solid, liquid, and gaseous substance is taking the space according to their shape, size, and their materials occupying. According to their definitions, it is occupies the space and continuing it. In our next session, we will get more and attractive idea about solid, liquid, and gaseous things. Next session we will classify into solid, liquid and gaseous things and we will talk about it. Thank you.